Hi everyone, thank you for watching today. So we've got a Papercraft Society unboxing, and this is box number 50, designed by Sam Calcott of the brand Made to Surprise. So if you're unaware, I am a design team member for Made to Surprise, so I've actually done some inspiration for this gorgeous box. So if you're new to Papercraft Society, it's a monthly subscription. You can sign up for 12, 6 or month by month. I sign up month to month. So if there's something that isn't my particular style, or I've already got something similar in my stash, then I usually pause my subscription and roll it over to the next month. So without further ado, let's have a look inside this lovely box. You can see this gorgeous blue sort of teal colour foiling on the front and all these lovely images. So this is usually an indication of what is inside. So we've got a little message from Sam. I hope you enjoy this box of sweet treats. So there are 3 parts to the Papercraft Society, or that's how I like to look at it. You've got the first part, which is the wallet with all your goodies inside. Then you've got some tissue paper inside the box. Again, some more goodies in there, and then your inspiration booklet. So I'm just going to pop the box to one side and we'll take a look in the wallet first of all. So we've got a set of stamps, dies and some glitter paper. So let's have a look at the stamps and dies first. I'm just going to grab a piece of copy paper just so you can see that a little better. Help if I flip it over. So I'll put them side by side so you can have a look. Hopefully not getting too much glare from the light. It's a little bit dark here today, so I've had to increase my lamp slightly. So we've got these gorgeous sweet treat images, the cupcake, cheesecake, donut for example, and then you've got some lovely sentiments attached to that. So you've got happy birthday, have a drink on me, winter spice and all things nice, you have been a good friend. So I'll hold that up a little closer to the camera. Hopefully you can see those lovely images. Sorry, I am getting a little bit of glare there. And then to accompany those, you've got these fabulous dies. Now if you haven't seen this before and you're not quite sure of how it works, I think this is really cool. You've got a number of ways on how you can put this together. So you've got essentially this larger sort of cup, and then you can add the cream on top, you can add the lid, so it's like a, you know, your coffee cup. Then you've got this curved style lid, so it's more of a drinks cup, or where you get, you know, your iced coffees for example. And then you've got this smaller rectangle die here and this die. So if I just hold that up to the camera, hopefully you can see. So you've got this rectangle and then this die here. So what this does, it cuts an opening into your larger cup piece, and this rectangle slides in and out. So the various tops that you have, you attach to this rectangle piece and you pull it up for a hidden message, and I think it's really brilliant. You've got the straw there, you've got this slice of fruit, so it could be lemon or lime. You've got this die here, which is actually a waffle, but I used it as ice cubes and cut around the smaller squares. Then you've got this lovely flower and sort of this tea bag die as well. Just pop them back in the envelope and we'll take a look at the glitter cardstock. So excuse the rustling. So we've got this lovely blue colour, and then we've got this red, so it's non-shed, a really nice sparkly cardstock there. And then you've got these beautiful pattern papers. So we've got the teal and orange sort of plaid design there. Then you've got the coffee cups and the cheesecake and the cupcake, similar to what we saw on the front of the box. And then you've got the same colour, but the plaid has been reversed. You've got it sort of more red being the predominant colour on that. So some lovely papers to go along with those stamps and dies. So I'm going to pop this to one side and we'll have a look inside the tissue paper next. So inside the tissue paper we have some extra stamps. So we've got coffee, drink, pull, tea, this cookie and a chocolate flake. So some really nice images there. Just bring back in that copy paper so you can see those a little better. Really good size as well. Then we've got this embossing folder. So we've got that continuation of the plaid design on there, and this is really good to use with these coordinating cardstocks as these are white core. So you can run them through your die cutting machine and then buff away some of the design and the white will pop through and it gives a really nice effect on those. Then we've got 2 pots of gilding flakes and the coordinating cardstock that I referred to. Just pop this off. It's got this lovely blue colour that matches with the pattern papers. Then you've got this sort of burnt orange and this red colour. So last but not least is the inspiration booklet. As you can see, we've got the lovely Sam on the front there displaying her box. If you've got any questions about any of the products that are inside the box, you can refer to this section, what's in your box, and it gives you an overview there of what is included and what they can be used for. So if you're ever uncertain, just refer to that. Now normally when I do a Papercraft Society unboxing video, I do an additional project with it, but I loved the stamps and dies and I had so many ideas when I was doing the inspiration for the booklet. So I'm going to do 3 additional videos using the products in this box. So it's just an unboxing video today, and I wanted to share the inspiration that I've made. So my feature was to do some shaped and fancy fold cards. So I've got this one here with the cup on the front, and I reduced the size of that larger cup and then I hand cut a handle so it looks more like a mug. So you've got a cup of hot chocolate there, or winter spice and all things nice. And I've used the gilding flakes and attached that onto some double-sided adhesive sheet and added the flowers there. But you've got your step-by-step guide on how to create that there. Then I created this faux stepper with the coffee cup and the cupcake and the sentiment, "You have been good." I created my own pattern paper there with the bean design, and I think that turned out really well. As I was referring to earlier with the embossing folder, I've done that for the sort of the piece that sort of goes around the cup to help you hold it so it doesn't get too hot. So I've done that with that piece. Again, they're all step-by-step instructions here in the booklet. And then this one I thought was really cool. So I've used it more of a drinks cup. I've added the straw, and this is the part that I was referring to in terms of the hidden message. So I've got "have a drink on me," so you can add a voucher inside there, or some money, or a hidden message. And this is where I used that waffle die as some ice cubes and the lemon there, and I loved how that turned out. I used some distress oxide inks, did a really nice ombre effect there. And then the last card was this shaker easel. So I used the cup and cut an aperture inside. You've got that plaid design on the inside there, some sequins. I've added some twine and the flowers for some added interest. So that's all the contents of Papercraft Society box number 50, designed by Sam Calcott of Made to Surprise. I hope you've enjoyed the inspiration that I've shared in the booklet. If you do make any of those projects, please share on Gems, which is a Facebook group created for members to share any makes inspired by this YouTube channel, my Facebook, Instagram or TikTok pages. So as I said, more tutorials coming on how to use the products in this box, giving you additional inspiration to what is included inside the kit already. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and taken a look at this kit with me. If you have, you might want to hit that like button. I really appreciate it if you could. It does help and support to grow my channel. I will pop a link to the Papercraft Society in the description box below. That'll give you the information on the subscriptions that are available, and also once this box has gone out to all the subscribers, there's usually some open stock left over. So if they have any of this, usually Sam's boxes are very popular, so there might be a short supply of these available, but you might be able to get your hands on them. And again, I'll link that in the description box below. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.